We're so excited to introduce Pro Base Lumi Tint, our first ever skin tint, and honestly, we're not playing. Look at its gorgeous little pump. Oh, love this. So I'm going to start with my favourite Pro Base primer, the Grip Fix Primer. It gives an amazing long-lasting hold. Our Pro Base Lumi Tint has 23 inclusive shades. It's lightweight, buildable and blendable medium coverage. It evens out your skin tone whilst still delivering a long-lasting glow. It's infused with hyaluronic complex for hydration, niacinamide to help even skin tone, vitamin E for long-loving nourishment. Also, because it's us, it's 100% vegan and cruelty-free. This has just never been done before. Oh, such an amazing product. I just love building my perfect Pro Base. I'm gonna go in now with the awesome, amazing double shot eye brightener. This beast is a caffeine infused to brighten and refresh the under eye. You can use it before or after your Lumi Tint. I like to put it on afterwards. I like to give that extra, a bit more coverage, I think so. If you would like it to be a bit more natural, you can put it on before. It's also lovely by itself. But look how fab these products are building up together. I put a little bit underneath my eyebrow just to give it a little lift. Why not? Then before I set with a translucent powder, I always like to go in with our matte finishing spray. And when that settles down, I'm going in with our awesome invisible silk. It's translucent, it's blurring, it just does everything you want it to do, but it's so natural on the skin. You don't feel a thing when you put this product on. My skin is truly blurred, feels so lightweight, but it just looks so healthy. As you can see, I really do like this product. But you can still see my glow through the powder, which is just insane. So now I'm going in again with our matte fixing spray. It's matte, but it gives a really nice finish. I've added a touch of colour and voila, I love, love, love this look. I look awesome, if I do say so myself. I cannot believe this is just £6.95. Head to www.muastore.co.uk or Superdrug to pick up your new Lumi Tint now.